85% of real estate agents fail within their first 5 years. That's not a typo. According to the National Association of Realtors, nearly 9 out of 10 new agents leave the business before they ever gain traction. So why does this happen? Are they just not cut out for it? Or are they making common mistakes that could easily be avoided with the right mindset, tools, and strategy? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest reasons agents fail, and more importantly, what you can do differently to build a real, sustainable business that makes you money and gives you freedom. The number one reason new agents fail is because they treat real estate like a hobby instead of a business. Real estate sounds flexible. Be your own boss. Work when you want. But the truth is, unless you treat it like a full-time committed career, it won't pay you like one. That doesn't mean you can't start part-time. But whether you're full or part-time, you have to be all in mentally. That means setting goals, creating structure, putting in the hours, and making sacrifices. Weekends, evenings, phone calls, prospecting, meetings, it all counts. It's not about being busy, it's about being intentional. If you don't take your business seriously, neither will your clients. The second reason agents fail is that they hustle in the wrong direction. They're working hard, but not necessarily smart. They spend hours designing flyers, tweaking logos, or manually following up with leads, when there are tools and systems that can automate those tasks and give them back their time. Use your energy where it matters. Talking to people, following up, showing homes, negotiating deals. Let your CRM handle email follow-ups. Let automation handle social media scheduling. Let virtual assistants help with admin work. Hustling for hustle's sake burns people out. Strategic effort wins. This one's huge, and probably the most common, not generating enough leads. If you're not talking to new people every day, you don't have a business. You have a hobby with a license. Lead generation is the lifeline of a real estate career. It's not optional. Open houses, Facebook ads, Instagram content, YouTube videos, cold calling, sphere of influence, whatever strategy fits you best, you need one. And you need to do it consistently. The best agents have multiple sources of leads and treat prospecting like going to the gym. It's a habit, not a choice. Here's where a lot of agents get crushed. Money management. In most jobs, you get paid every 2 weeks. In real estate, you might not get paid for 60-90 days. And when that commission check hits, it's tempting to treat it like a celebration. But commissions have to last. You've got to budget for both your life and your business. A zero-based budget helps. That means giving every dollar a job, so you know exactly where your money is going and how long it needs to last. If you blow your first few commission checks, you might not make it to your next one. The last major reason agents fail? They stop learning. Getting your license isn't the finish line. It's just the beginning. Top agents stay sharp. They follow market trends, take courses, attend events, and constantly level up their knowledge and skills. You don't need to go back to school, but you do need to keep learning, especially about marketing, contracts, negotiation, tech, and lead generation. Online education makes it easier than ever. Podcasts, webinars, YouTube, CE courses, it's all out there. And the agents who succeed are the ones who never stop investing in themselves. These 5 mistakes are avoidable, but only if you take your business seriously from day one. If you want help avoiding these pitfalls, I've got a free resource just for you. It's called The Modern Agent Entrepreneur, and it breaks down the exact strategies I use to grow my business and create consistent income in real estate. You can download it right now. The link's in the description below. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if one of these mistakes hit home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.